from ZKTeco South Africa, and today I'm going to tell you more about our ML100 smart lock. What makes the ML100 so smart? It's Wi-Fi enabled. You can create temporary passcodes, pins for your guests, your house, offices, everything depends on you. Fingerprints for yourself, houses, guest outs, Airbnbs, student accommodation as well. You can create cards, and most importantly, actually send the temporary passcodes to your guests. First, I want to see what's in the box. Let's see. Got a door template. Then we've got the installation guide. I don't think we'll need this because I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the ML100 sleek design smart lock. It's also reversible, so you can actually change the handle's direction. We've got an IC card, another IC card, so you will have a card on your car keys. You can put this easy and light. We've got the spindles for the installation, your screws. Then we've got something in this box. Let's see. A striker plate, a European standard mortise. This is also reversible. Then we've got our emergency keys. So I'm going to tell you more about the installation and then how to do the enrollment and also send temporary passcodes on the ZSmart app. Now we're going to do the installation. First things first, you will need your wooden door, not aluminium, wooden door. Then you will take your installation guides and your template. We're going to start with the template. So basically you're going to put the template on the door. You will see the holes. You will draw with a pencil. Then you're going to take your drill and you're going to do the drilling. After doing the drilling, take your front handle, which is the side that's outside. Please remember, this is not IP65. Don't go and install it outside, so it's not waterproof. First, you can put in the front handle. After the front handle, you will then insert the mortise. You can insert the mortise first if you want, up to you. Please note, there is an arrow on the mortise. The mortise must show upwards when you put the spindle in. Otherwise, if you don't do that, the handle won't push down and the door won't open, so you will struggle. Then we're going to fasten the screws quickly on the mortise and also then on the latches. Then we're going to put the striker plates, and after doing so, then we're going to connect the front and the back, put the wiring through the hole into the door. And after doing that, then your lock is ready to go. Now all you need to do is put the 4 Duracell batteries in, and then I just want to show you this lock sign actually means if you've got an Airbnb or you're in an office, a building of say 100 employees and your 10 managers, only 10 managers will be allowed to go in there. It's like that, upwards it's locked. And then the rest of the 90 employees won't be able to have access. When you put it down, everyone has access, managers and employees. If you want to change the direction of the mortise, I'm going to show you quickly how you can do that. You press that back, you turn the latch on that side, turn, and that's how you change the right direction. Okay, when you want to change the handle direction, you can use a screwdriver, just loosen the one side, you change the direction and you fasten it that side. So that's how you turn the handle's directions. Now that we've got the ML100 installed, now I'm going to show you how to set it up. We're going to start by enrolling admins. Star hash, go into the menu, 6-digit code, hash.
Please set up administrator. Please input administrator information.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Please input again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Operation success. Number 00. Please input administrator information.
Fingerprint,
Please input
6
again.
times.
number
and then we're going to do a call.
10. Please input user information. 1. Add administrator. 2. Add normal user. Please input user information.
Over the 5. That's where the card can be swiped.
Please input
Then we're
user
done.
information.
You can go out
Add administrator.
of the
Select the
menu.
exit settings.
Okay, and then now your card will work.
Unlock.
You can open the door. There you go. And then close it. Okay, now that I've showed you guys how to do the admin, enroll the admins, the fingerprints and the cards, and normal users, now we're going to connect the ZSmart app from Google Play Store and then connect it with the Wi-Fi and pair the lock with your app. So now we're going to download the app on Google Play Store, the ZSmart. You click on ZSmart, you click on the plus sign, add device. Make sure your Bluetooth is on and you've got your Wi-Fi that's set on. It will discover the device and then you're going to say add. Put in your Wi-Fi details. Next. Please, on the lock, there's a 5 that needs to blink when it's in pairing mode. So you're going to go into the menu, put in the admin code. Then you're going to go to number 4 for wireless configure, option 2, and then it's in pairing mode. So now it's going to pair. You just need to wait for your Wi-Fi. 2.4 gigahertz is the range, and also the connection of the lock. So the 5 is still blinking. We're still waiting for the lock to be added, and there it's added, successful. You say done. And now I'm going to show you how you can remotely open. Press the hash key, that's the doorbell. It will ring on your smartphone and you can then just agree and it will unlock. You will get a notification pop up when someone rings the bell. Okay, so now I'm going to link a finger to a person. First of all, you need to go and add the person. So go to member management. I'm going to choose Jackie. I want to put a fingerprint on for Jackie, so I'm going to ask Jackie to put the finger down for me 3 times. So when you put the finger down, here hash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 admin. Then you have to add a user. Add user. 2 normal user. Then you're going to put your finger down 6 times. That's how you're going to associate your finger with Jackie. So this is Jackie's finger. So Jackie is there. Now Jackie first needs to open the door with her finger so that I can link her finger to the app. So now it's unlocked. It will show me a record, Jackie unlocked. You click on that, then you go to associate. You click on Jackie. Okay, Jackie is added. Jackie's got a finger. And you go back. And now you want to create a temporary passcode. You go to add, generate passcode. Please remember to set your times effective from. Say, I want to make a booking from now up until next week sometime. You can change it. And then you can just name it as Aki. You're going to say save. So that's Aki's password. That password will work now for Aki. And you did copy it. Generate copy. And then you send it to Aki via WhatsApp. Okay guys, so just remember, in case the batteries died, the lock is flat like this, you can't have access with fingerprint, keypad or your card or your phone, then you can take your C-type cable, there's a USB port underneath here with your power bank, and you can charge it up. When it's got enough power, you can punch in your code or fingerprint or your card, open it and change the battery's directions. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in an ML100 or a smart lock, my email is below. Thank you.